Every great batch starts with one tiny, fragile step. And still, we trust that step to a glass stick. And sure, polycarbonate hydrometers exist, but microplastics? Really? Hi, I'm BC from the YouTube channel Doing the Most Brewing. Years ago, our audience propelled us to success on Kickstarter with our homebrewing card game, Sip and Savor. And now we're back to ask for your support again for our latest venture, Gravity Drop. We asked homebrewers a simple question: what if it didn't have to be this way? And importantly, we didn't even have to invent a product. We just had to invent the service. At Gravity Drop, we are out to solve a problem that has plagued homebrewers for generations. Hydrometers. They break constantly, and yet we keep buying them like cavemen. So we created the world's first hydrometer subscription delivery service. Each month, you'll receive a fresh, calibrated, and ready to be doomed hydrometer. Because let's be honest, you're gonna drop it. You always do.
Last month, I broke 3. Didn't even brew anything. Didn't even touch them.
I didn't think I needed this service, but now that I get one every month, I use them for everything. Stirring peanut butter, mixing peanut butter, whipping peanut butter. I eat a lot of peanut butter.
Every Gravity Drop hydrometer arrives in sleek, 100% post-consumer recyclable packaging. Because your brewing mistakes shouldn't cost the environment too. And each hydrometer is hand-packed with care to ensure it arrives safe. Well, that's why we send you one every month. We don't believe in indestructible hydrometers. We believe in planning for failure. Every Gravity Drop package includes one professionally calibrated glass triple-scale homebrewing hydrometer, a small biodegradable pouch of shame for disposing of your glass shards, and, most importantly, closure. Whether you're a seasoned beer brewer or first-time mead maker, Gravity Drop is here to support you on your inevitable journey to the tile floor. Things we used to purchase once and own forever have now become convenient, low-cost subscription services. And here at Gravity Drop, we ask the question, why shouldn't hydrometers be the same way? It's time to stop pretending that you're careful, and it's time to join the Dropolution. Because homebrewing is science, and science breaks things.
Why is it so dark in here?